Hello valued Amazon customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your new stainless steel ring mandrel, size 1 to 16, we decided to make this video just for you. Ring mandrels are a great tool for completing various tasks. I will demonstrate 3 different examples. First, how to accurately determine the size of a ring. Simply slide your ring down the mandrel. Whichever mark it lands on, that's the size. Second, to stretch a ring. When you know the size you wish to stretch your ring to, simply slide the ring down the mandrel, and with a mallet, tap the ring until you have the perfect size. Make sure to tap all sides of the ring to have an evenly stretched ring. Flip the ring and repeat the process. For forming wire. Here I have a 9.5-inch copper wire. If it's too long, you can always cut off the excess wire later. Now, wrap the wire around your desired size, about 2 or 3 times. Take the 2 ends and twirl them both in the same direction, as if they're chasing one another. Snip off the excess wire if you need to, and tuck in the ends under the swirl. Try on the ring to make sure the ends are safely tucked in and not poking you. There you have it, simple and easy. After watching this video you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.